Today we're doing a super delicious copycat recipe. Okay, it's not a copycat because I am incorporating some things that are mine, but we're doing lemon blueberry cakes or bread or whatever. Let's see. Let's get started. First thing we're gonna need are 2 eggs and a cup of white sugar. We're gonna mix it all together in our stand mixer, and 3 tablespoons of oil, whichever oil you use. You can also use shortening or butter, whichever you prefer. We're also going to go ahead and incorporate 1 cup of milk to our mixture and let it mix real good. Yay! Now we're gonna go ahead and incorporate 1 teaspoon and a 1 teaspoon and a half of our lemon extract. Maybe you could baby into this little baby. Now we went ahead and added 3 cups of flour. How can this focus? Come on, focus. There you go. 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of, and 4 teaspoons of baking powder. And we're gonna mix it all together on low. Yay! Now we're gonna go ahead and add our babies, the blueberry, to the mix, and we're gonna fold it in. If you don't know how to fold in, let me change hands and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so the way you fold is you throw in your 1 cup of blueberry, and then you're gonna basically fold in. You're gonna go around and up, around, up, around, and up. And this is the notion called fold in. And you serve them and to the oven at 350 degrees for an hour. Bye babies. See you in an hour. Ooh! We have a bunch today, huh?